Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kubleye phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Umantri ka sarkar jila but nongelam ka BJP ba A.L Hek ulapan pau ya ka jingkmen ba jingkermen halor ka jing persyang ban ai jaka sa akan jarinsan sya kinong di pat ba lane haka ha ka jila. Habakran shukilat pathai khubor naga kamrat rekam jang u haskretrian o Bah A Hek ulapan pau ba ulong ubaningkong ban sedang ya ka hawkers market ha Golflink kabala ai Nuksa shukiwe ki MLA bat sya ka sarkar. Ulo ongru ba ulo ai Nuksa bat jingya tu khana shuki MLA bat ki bor sarkar halor ka jing dan kamban ai jaka ai lat ya ki nongdie madan ba kinyo ban kamai da garanti ka babit babiang. Ka hawkers market ha Golflink kat kum ka jingya tu jang u ka dei ka benta na gani ka thong. Bah A Hek ula ai ka jingya ro ya ka sarkar MDA halor ka jingla ban pendem ban penkenria ya ki hawkers ya ka muda parking lot kaba ula khot kum ka lenti ka badai ban penbet hong ya ka jilla ha ka rukam pentre ya ki nong tre ha ki than nong bat sar. Ula ka dawru ya ka Nuksa jong ka gangtok ha sikim ha ka balala ban penyat ringkat ka eco-tourism bat ka jing penbet ya ki nong di madan kaba uang ba ka Meghalaya ru ka la ban bud ya ka ni ka lenti ling ba ka jingya da jan hap deng ka roy ka par ka rep karyang bat ka jingyo kam jong upat ba.
Has to be beautified anywhere in Shopify. We should also see the Gangtok. They have a beautiful walking space in Gangtok. We should have that kind of walking space in proper Shillong also, not only in Police Bazaar, anywhere. Even in Golflink also we should have this kind of the walking space, cycling track for benefit of the youths and benefit of the children's and also benefit of the people.
But
See, I'm telling you, Polo, we have so many activities in Polo. All the national, international program is to be held now. The Duran Cup is being held in Polo ground only. So we need to beautify the entire area of Polo Hills also, Golflink also, Maimukra also, Mauprem also, Laban also, all the Shillong area, Nongthamai also, everywhere. The people wherever they go, the tourists they will come, they will really appreciate the cleanliness and the beauty and of Shillong. But to ask this, I think I'm the first among the MLA who have built the hawkers market. If you go, you have seen my hawkers market which is built by me. I've been given award also for the hawkers market. I'm the first. Till today I don't see anyone who has built their own personal to give, to accommodate all the hawkers free of cost. Anyone is there? You tell me from your points of view. At the beginning, we have accommodated them 28 of them, all the hawkers from the Golflink Bazaar only. All of them we have put inside into, not in the ordinary market, it is in the, like a mall only.
What is a small number?
28 of course, whatever we have the numbers at the roadside, all the street vendors, we have put it inside the mall. Get any rent from anyone. We have given them free of cost, right from chana wala, muri wala, sabji wala, the fish sellers, tea stall, momo, chow, everybody was given free of cost.
So no discrimination.
What?
No discrimination.
All caste, creed and religion. There's no discrimination, whether they are which community also we don't know. Those who are having the shop in the roadside vendors at Golflink market, we have put everybody inside without any caste, creed or religion. And first person who has built the hawkers market of my own to accommodate the hawkers, the street vendors into the shopping malls. This idea has to come from the heart. You have to have a feeling for the poor people, the feeling for the vulnerable society. Then only we have that kind of idea. If we don't have the hearts to help the people, we don't have the hearts to give services to the poor people, then that idea will never come to your life.
You mentioned that
I think we cannot go in one go. We have to discipline everyone like that only. We have to discipline them. I've seen in one of the video channel, somebody they were going to going passing urine on the roadside. Then the car came and threw a full water on this guy, and he had to run away. Just like that only. We have to do some kind of mechanism to discipline the people also at the same time. The understanding with the Golflink Darbar, that time when JB Lingdo was the Rambashno on the Golflink Darbar, so we have the understanding and we have built that hawkers market. Now to give it to the snow only, why should we run? I have built my own, then I have given it to the snow to look after them, but they cannot charge any rent from them. That is the understanding.